Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. Today guys, I will be frying some fish. I have some flounder here. Now you can use whatever kind of fish you want. You can use halibut, whiting, trout, whatever you want to use. Now before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's fry. Alright you guys, I got my flounder fillets here already washed off and patted dry. So I'm going to start by seasoning them generously on both sides with some Slap Your Mama seasoning, of course, some garlic powder, and some Old Bay. Guys, please excuse my nails. I'm literally getting them done in the morning. Alright, so now that I got all my seasonings rubbed in, I'm going to add on some yellow mustard. Now this adds a really great flavor to the fish, and it also gives it a nice crispy exterior. Now I love my fish crispy, I don't know about y'all, but if you don't want that, you can omit it, but mustard adds a really nice flavor to the fish. Alright, so now I'm ready to make my breading. So to keep it as mess free as possible, I'm going to use a little Ziploc bag. Y'all can use a grocery bag or brown paper bag, whatever you want to use. So I'm going to add in 1 cup of flour. Also going to add in about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of yellow cornmeal. You can use whatever brand you want. And then you're going to season it to your liking. So I'm going to use, of course, my Slap Your Mamas again, garlic powder, some paprika, and some black pepper. I'm going to just give it a nice good shake until it's well combined. Alright you guys, so we're almost ready to fry. So I have some vegetable oil. I'm going to add it into my cast iron skillet. Now you can also use canola oil or corn oil, and you want your oil temperature to be between 350 degrees to 375. Alright you guys, so while my oil is getting hot and coming up to temperature, I'm going to go ahead and bread my fish. So I got my fillets right here. I'm just going to drop it right into that breading and give it a nice good shake until it's nice and evenly coated. Alright you guys, so now we're ready to fry. So I'm going to lay my fish into this hot rich jacuzzi. I'm going to lay it in away from me so it does not splash on me. I'm going to fry this fish for about 5 to 6 minutes. So I do flip them over around like the 4-minute mark just to make sure they're nice and evenly golden brown on each side.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright you guys, our fried fish is complete. It's beautifully fried, nice and golden brown, and it has a nice little crispiness that I like. Y'all, when I tell you this fish is delicious, it's really good. Serve it with some coleslaw. If you like a little hot sauce, you guys are good to go. Now, why go to the grocery store where you can make your own breading? You don't need to go to the grocery store and get no breading. Make your own. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe. Turn on those post notifications so you will be notified as soon as I post a new video. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next one.